Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your LinkedIn account using your mobile device. It's simple and straightforward. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Next to your profile icon, you'll see options for your profile and settings. Tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Help Center. Under LinkedIn Shortcuts, you'll find the option to close your account. Tap on that. You'll see a message asking if you're sure you want to close your account. If you're certain, tap Continue. Next, select the reason why you want to close your account, then tap Next. After that, enter your password, check the confirmation box, and tap Done. Your LinkedIn account will then be deleted permanently. I'm not tapping Done since I don't want to delete my account right now, but that's the full process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, drop a comment saying, "I subscribe," so I can thank you personally for your support. Thanks for watching, and take care.